Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. Guys, Lenta that we watched on this episode, ngeke guys, this is no longer entertainment. At this point, we are just watching Utando being ill-treated. I don't even want to use that A word because I don't know YouTube if they allow us to use that word. But listen, guys, abantu bayakhala la ngaphandle and they're like, Imoja Lavi is actually promoting toxicity, because why are they still airing such episodes in the name of getting views? At this point, guys, I was just asking myself, you telling me the whole crew stood there and recorded everything that was going on while uSiyacela was threatening literally everyone Bathula, just in the name of views? But anyway, how can we be surprised? Because I mean, they aired the last season, they aired an episode where uSiyacela actually said that he should have left Utando in a burning car and left her to, to pass away in that burning car. They still aired that. So what more can possibly surprise us at this point? There are some people, guys, they are circulating the BCCSA email and they're saying, at this point, guys, I see report any lento, let this thing be shut down. Now, people have been doing that for a while, you guys. I don't know why the show is not shut down. Maybe they need to come out to channel with what needs to happen for a show to be shut down, because people have been sending emails for the show to be cancelled. It comes back with a new season, and let's just be honest, some of us, we still watch it. So maybe the reason why it keeps coming back for a new season is that abanye bethu siyonrongo maybe if we stop watching it and there's no views, maybe it won't come back as sazi. But also at the same time, Utando keeps on coming back season after season, you guys. Maybe because of the money. So angazi ukuthi Utando maybe uhleli kulo mshado because of the money. Maybe when the show is cancelled, she won't lenga anything kuSiyacela because abunamali. Angazi, you guys. But this episode, guys, people are just like, let's rescue Utando in ini. At this point, I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just going to be honest, guys. I don't even know what to say concerning Utando, because Utando, we've been fighting for her seasons, past seasons. Utando will come back the next season. Akhulumela indoda yakhe. Utando, in front of her own uncle, she denied and she protected uSiyacela in front of her own family. Manje, if she does that in front of her own family, who are we? She'll come back next season. She'll come back on TV saying it's a mistake. So I'm just like, at this point, why is Utando still in this marriage? Is there something she's afraid of? But let's get right into the episode, you guys. So this episode starts off with Utando bayavuka ekuseni, and Utando says ukuthi yena benoSiyacela, they had a situation last night where uSiyacela came and told her everything. Kodwa manje mubusile, he doesn't want to talk about whatever they were talking about. Utando says ukuthi uSiyacela told her ukuthi he wants to marry a girl who is born in 2006. This girl is probably 19, you guys, and I'm asking myself, why engashadi intanga zakhe? Because he knows very well intanga zakhe, there's no way intanga zakhe ziyamfuna, and that's why he's gonna go for girls who are way younger. uSiyacela, apparently he broke this girl's virginity even after this girl had told him that I'm a virgin. Now the girl's family bafuna inhlawulo because the girl is no longer a virgin. Instead of uSiyacela doing things the right way, you know what he does? He takes the girl, uyoyifundisa. I don't know if he's the one paying for the girl's college or whatnot. He takes the girl to and stay somewhere else. So the way I'm seeing it, it seems like that type of situation where this girl, uSiyacela, are disrespecting this girl's family, because instead of uSiyacela sending his family to go and speak to the girl's family, he instead takes the girl to another city, ayofunda. But anyway, the girl's family is like, thatha umfazi wakho, take umfazi wakho. We are not asangene. The only thing we want is inhlawulo yethu. Now he's saying ukuthi he's been pushed into a corner because the family saying ukuthi akamthathe as umfazi and he needs to go and pay damages for this girl. Apparently he told Utando ukuthi ugirl wakhona, she's light in complexion, she reminds him of his late mother. He's telling Utando all of these things. Utando obviously does not take that well. And that's the whole thing edala the situation ukuthi uSiyacela wants to take another wife. Now, in all honesty, I don't get to what makes this situation different, because I'm like, doesn't uThando know that indoda yakhe cheat? She knows all of that. Doesn't uThando know that indoda yakhe sleeps around? She knows all that. Hasn't indoda yakhe been saying for past season that he wants another wife? She knows that. So I'm asking myself, what makes this situation a bit more special than the others, that she's been worked up so much about this situation? Maybe it's because kune-proof yokuthi this girl, her family ngathi abamfuni or something like that, and it seems like she's going to have to rely on uSiyacela. Now my question is, which girl, guys, osile la ekhanda, who is fine mentally, watches Isencane Lengane for seasons, sees how uSiyacela has been speaking to uThando, treats people around him, and then still goes and sleep with him and give uSiyacela their virginity? Yeah, and that time, maybe when she's watching the show, she's really like proud ukuthi uSiyacela is gonna take her as a wife. Yeah, guys, hike. Anyway, uThando is speaking there. uSiyacela doesn't want to hear nothing. He doesn't want to talk about it. uThando is basically saying, I sacrificed my whole life for you. This girl in Tombea, because she can go to school. Mina, isn't I'm a fool. I'm not going to school. Ngathi Thando. Udala sakutshela, even the matric story, even before Thando even got pregnant, you guys. Yes, she's married and it's bound for her to get married, but you can still even be smart about how you time your children, even in marriage. Now she's making it seem as if uSiyacela is going for better girls than her because yenash agafundi, she's not doing anything with her life. I'm saying to myself, Thando, you can still pick yourself, you can still choose yourself. You can still leave the sky, go back to school. Umncane kabi Thando. Hey, anyway, Thando's busy telling uSiyacela ukuthi fine, ngizokushiya mina. I will leave you so that you can go, so that you can take this girl, so that she can be your wife. And and uSiyacela is just not bothered. He says to uThando, usugugile vele, sengikubhebhile kulo 6 years wonke, usafunani? Divorce uhambe. He's not lingering her, guys. Uyayazi indoda esile that has seen another woman, and he's telling himself ukuthi uThando is not gonna go anywhere. uThando now, guys, she decides ukuthi ayotshela umama wakhe. She calls a family meeting to discuss this whole thing. When they call the family meeting, uSiyacela is there with the Shembok, guys, in Vubu, and he says, no one must mention my name here, because if you guys, or if any of you mentions my name, he's threatening them ukuthi uzobashaya. So mamncane olo omunye umashenge, she comes in and she attempts to sit ngasemnyango. uSiyacela zathi mamncane suka lapho, angifuni ushayeke ngephutha mamncane, suka lapho ungahlali lapho. I'm just like, this whole family is really being ruled by uSiyacela, you guys. And that's the thing that irritated me. uThando mekafika kuleyo meeting, obviously now she's afraid ukuthi abachazele what happened. She is saying ukuthi ucela imvume, she's asking for permission for them to release her so she can go home. uThando does say uMashenge, she told uMashenge everything that happened. Kodwa nangu uMashenge, she's there busy saying, no Thando, phuma niyokhuluma noSiyacela. I'm just like, she's acting as if she doesn't know anything, yet she knows very well. She's acting for the cameras ingathi she doesn't know why they're fighting, yet she knows very well, and she's still forcing uThando to go and have a conversation with uSiyacela. Yeah, I get while abafazi bakaDlamuko are trying to find out ukuthi Thando, what's going on. uSiyacela zathi phumani endabeni zami. Phumani endabeni zami, threatening each and every one of them. Umamkhulu shame, she tried to speak up. uSiyacela is threatening her there. Next thing, uThando uyakhala. That time, guys, all of this is happening in front of uNubanzi. uThando uyakhala, she's holding her child, bazama uyithatha ingane, uThando akafuni ngengane yakhe. They're like, no Thando, you can't cry in front of a child. Guys, I was just disappointed. If I was uThando, guys, I would have packed my bags and left. I would have not even had that meeting. Meeting for what? I am so disappointed in these wives, because they're busy sitting there. That one wife is busy saying, what you know, Thando, we can't tell you what to hambe in ini. I'm like, what do you mean? Nifuna uThando ephuma lana esidumbu. And the thing is, one of the wives said, "Usiyacela usibonisile ukuthi akasihloniphi ini." I was like, vele, angithi nina, you guys have been defending him for past seasons, and now all of a sudden, just because he doesn't want to, he's disrespecting you guys are surprised. You think he can disrespect literally everyone else and respect you guys? Yo, guys, I was so surprised. So maybe, guys, uthando uyasaba, because remember, there's this thing Gamuka yokuthi if umfazi comes out of there, she loses her life. So now I'm asking myself, ukuthi uthando usahleleleni? Could it be that she's afraid of the fact that if she just leaves like that, she's going to lose her life? And that's the reason why she's asking for permission. Maybe if Bayam Kulula, one of the Zamukas who are living there, maybe it will be different than Yena, Utas Pumele. I'm just trying to think of that, maybe that's the reason, because I just feel like uthando was making an excuse. She knew ukuthi bazothini. She knows how Omawake acts each and every time. So why was she even asking that time? Utsala i-airtime, utsala imali yokugibela. Hayibo, guys, abanye abantu were saying, I kampane ngona ngibe sesithenjini sami seleko, because at least there unemali, une-Mercedes Benz. Yes, you're not, yes, emoyeni awukho right, but you're not this broke to an extent ukuthi mele ubone airtime, or you must ask for money. That time I don't even understand why uthando didn't call her uncles, because her uncles would have came to her rescue, came there running. At this point, I need uthando to open up to a family so that they can. I need unjabulo and uthando's uncles to deal with Usiyacela, because Usiyacela, the reason why he will continue doing this is because uthando keeps covering up for him. And that's why I'm saying, even if Kaisingawabhala ma email, even if the show can get cancelled, that doesn't mean ukuthi all of this thing is going to end. If that everything is happening in front of ama camera, cabanga ke ukuthi meyengekho ama camera, what is happening there? Imagine. And that time uphethe imvubu Usiyacela, he's busy saying ukuthi no, inhloso yami was not to hit them, bengibathusela nje ukuthi they mustn't take advantage ukuthi mina ngiyindoda ini. No, why mele indoda ithusa abantu? You must be able to speak with your mouth. At this point, guys, I just feel like the only way this marriage is going to end is if Usiyacela himself leaves that marriage. Because uthando herself, it looks like she doesn't have any thoughts of leaving. Or maybe she's afraid if she believes Galente yokuthi she's going to live her life akayenyangeni, or someone who's going to assist her ukuthi aphume lapho in peace, because yay. Hi guys, Gubi. Anyway, let's park it right there, because that's basically the summary of the whole episode, you guys. The way uthando was crying, I felt sorry for her, you guys. The way she was crying, like for me, I was even like, I don't understand why uthando was crying so much. Like umshayile last night or what, but I feel like there's more dead, because this situation, I'm like, there's nothing unique about it. Usiyacela has done these things before, except now that it's a virgin and bafuna inhlawulo. So I'm asking myself, what's making uthando so emotional this time around? Or maybe the reality of ngempela uzolanya. Hey, angas. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.